So here different additional things are showing to you, so it is up to you whether you want to take it or not. So this is asking for the code guard, basic, site log. So these are the things. So normally we don't require on this, so simply you can cancel this one, right? So this is the actual price of the hosting. As a starter it is showing. So why this amount is showing? Because somewhere I have selected 5 years, right? So if I'll take it for the 1 year, so it will be showing around 1788, including with the GST or tax, right? So it is up to you. Then after that, what you have to do, you have to click on next button. And now the times comes here, you have to create your profile name, right? Your username, password. So it is just like doing online shopping as well. So whenever you will be creating your account, then it will ask for your payment option, right? The last option it will be there. So you'll have to pay by net banking, by using credit or debit card as well. So after that, your web hosting purchase will be successful, and you will be getting a dashboard at the back end of this one. And you will also be getting control panel login. So at the control panel, just you can have the access over there, but you need to remember the username and password for this one. So like that way you can purchase your hosting.